Hey, welcome to a special episode of Two Lads Garage. This is going to be super brief, but I'm making this just for a specific reason. When Chris and I the other day were putting the transmission back in this truck, we couldn't figure out how the throwout bearing went. Now, of course, when you take the old transmission out, it's a good idea to look at the throwout bearing, but sometimes it's a little late for that. But it took us forever to find somebody that knew how it was supposed to go. And all the videos I could find on YouTube, well, they were for a hydraulic clutch, not a manual. So anyway, I'm going to show real quick how to put a throwout bearing, how it goes in a mechanical clutch, specifically on a Dodge D150. Is figuring out how this throwout bearing goes. And we searched all over YouTube, couldn't find the answer. And did a few phone a friends and finally found it. So I'm going to be one that puts it on YouTube. Anyway, these springs right here evidently clip to the clutch fork. So you slide your throwout bearing on. And somehow or another these clip on. Like that, I guess. Well, you little devil. And there we go, just like that.
Don't you want to grease that shaft up so?
Yeah, we can grease up a little bit. I'll push it up like this. I'll put it on the back.
Yep.
So when this thing goes on, it won't be as likely to throw it on the clutch because you don't want to get grease on the clutch. But yeah, I got a little bit of grease I can put on that shaft.
Alright.
Alright.